MacDonald's had a farm. Hi-ya-hi-ya-ho. And on the farm there was a cow. Hi-ya-hi-ya-ho. And a moo-moo, yeah, and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald's had a cow. Hi-ya-hi-ya-ho. Now where is the cow, Farmer MacDonald? Is this the cow? Oh, now what does the cow give us?
Milk.
Milk.
I drink everything milk.
Very healthy, Farmer MacDonald. Now, and what does the cow say?
He says moo.
Moo. Now, old MacDonald's had a farm.
E-I-E-I-O.
And on the farm there was a horse. E-I-E-I-O. And a neigh-neigh, yeah, and a neigh-neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald's had a horse. E-I-E-I-O. Now, where is the horse, Farmer MacDonald?
Where's the horse?
Where's the horse? Oh. Were you ever on a horse, Farmer MacDonald?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. You can ride a horse?
It was a black horse.
Oh, wow. But what color is this horse?
She's red.
No, she is brown. It's a brown big horse. Now, old MacDonald's had a farm.
Pink house.
Okay, but let's now sing another part of our song. Old MacDonald's had a farm. Hi-ya-hi-ya-ho. And on the farm there was a dog. Hi-ya-hi-ya-ho. And a woof woof here and a woof woof there. Here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof. Old MacDonald's had a farm. E-ya-e-ya-ho.
Is this a dog?
Yes.
Oh. Now if a dog gets babies, how do we call them again?
I don't know.
You don't know? I think you know.
It's puppies.
It's a puppy, yes. They get puppies. We don't call them babies, we call them puppies. And they say ruff, 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 ruff.
I saw a dog at Silver's house.
You see?
Yeah.
I also saw already many dogs. Now everybody, watch the next video to see more animals. But now we have to go.